Hey guys, welcome to NAJ channel. In this video, I'll be doing a quick oil change on this 2014 Ford Explorer Sport. Alright guys, now I'm going to remove the oil cap off the engine. Alright guys, now I got to remove this shield to access the drain plug from the oil pan. Alright guys, now I'm going to remove this shield. Alright guys, now I'm going to remove the drain plug from the oil drain pan. There he goes. Alright guys, now I'm going to remove this oil filter. Alright guys, now I'm going to reinstall the oil filter. There you go. Alright guys, now I'm going to reinstall the drain plug. Make sure you get it on there snug. Should be fine. Alright guys, now it's time to pour in the new oil. Alright guys, now it's time to reinstall the oil cap. Alright, I've already reinstalled the shield underneath the car and I've already verified for leaks. Alright guys, now I'm going to check the oil level on the dipstick. Here you go. And there you guys have it. Looks good to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing an oil change on this Ford Explorer. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.